of the money we made together minus refunds, merch fees, and ad spend. That's what I offered you, that balance, period. And you got advanced $20,000 in October. Let's talk about that money you got wired to you.
How did you advance me money?
Bro, did you not get $20,000?
Did you pay? Was that money to pay event expenses to Eugene?
Bro, did you not get advanced?
Was that money used to pay event expenses to Eugene?
No, it's not.
Say what?
It's not.
Are you going to sit here and fucking
Why
lie?
would I wire you money to pay one of my staff members that's right in my building? Why would I wire you?
Are you going to lie, dog?
Bro, I got the receipt of your wire for $20,000. Why would I wire you money to pay my staff member? You're not that smart. Think about it. You got wired $20,000. That's true. November 20th, I made you an offer of all the money that was owed.
Men lie, women lie, but this text from me and Eugene don't. Hold on, because you lying. Why are you sitting here lying to these people? Like, this is literal messages from your people, bro.
Is that from October 22nd?
I'm going to flip this around so the people can see this, bro. Hold on, you lying.
October 22nd.
You lying, dog. Hold on.
Wait. October 22nd, you were wired money. $20,000 from my account.
Hold on.
Have you talked about that?
Oh, I got proof of all my transfers, bro.
Bro,
I spent all the money. I'm the one that spent all the money. You want to go here? This is
that
Eugene
October
right here.
22nd?
This is Eugene right here, right?
Saying what?
This is Eugene.
Saying what?
What is he saying right there? Tony, have you spoken with Jay about transferring the $25K? Why is your man right here saying,
I'll tell you.
Oh, my goodness. Damn, Jay, you got busted already.
No, I didn't, Tony.
Oh, God damn. You lying already, dog.
Listen. Let's tell the full
Hey,
story.
listen, that's the one thing, Jay. One thing about me, bro.
You gotta let me talk,
I got
bro.
every receipt, dog.
Bro,
you look like a clown, bro.
No, I don't. You look
what
like
are you going to lie for? Bro, I'm the one that actually spent the money.
Eugene was
you
not
never spent no money in the event, Jay. I'm the only one that spent money in the entire fucking event. Nigga, I got proof of over $250,000 I spent for the event, Jay.
Tony.
Like, what the fuck are you talking about? I spent over $250,000 in real money. No, you can't play with me no money because you didn't spend no money, dog. Stop fucking playing with me. Nigga, I spent a real $250,000 on that shit. You sitting here still doing this dumb shit. Why was your employee why would my employee be texting you about the money? Why would my employee be texting you about the money? Shut up lying all the fucking time, man.
Hostile man, can I answer you?
Dog, you always lying.
Bring it down. I'm gonna answer you.
Listen, it's always fucking lying. Nigga, what the fuck are you talking about?
Eugene didn't get paid personally for that.
Nigga, what are you talking about? It's right here, nigga. You're a fucking liar, dog. Nigga,
did he not have the contract?
You just said out your own motherfucking mouth. Your dude, hey, Tony, have you spoken to Jay with the transferring the $25K? I just texted him 5 minutes ago. He's following up with the team. Keep me posted.
And
call
what
me.
was it for?
Okay. Hey, I need the address for the bank wire. Okay. Look,
Tony, what was it for?
I'm trying to book the what's it called? Here you go.
Anthony, what was it for? What was that money
ETA
going
on the wire, King. Once again, what day did you say?
What was it going
Jay, what day did you say? Hey, look, this is your man. ETA on the wire, King. Hey, look, once again, I'm waiting on y'all team to send the transfer. All money handled by Jay and your team.
Why is that?
I'm not going to be chasing money. This is your baby. Just let me know when you get it. Just know money was due yesterday, so I'll keep you informed on any additional fees due to late payment. I said, Tony, shit, I'm chasing my own shit.
No, you're not.
Woo!
No, you're not. Because why are you doing Ric Flair? Why are you so animated, King? Relax.
Oh, my God. Damn, nigga.
Bring it down. Now, listen.
No, nigga, because you lying, dog.
I'm not lying, my brother.